Hilsa is not just a fish, it is an emotion. It is a memory. In Bengal, we call it Eilish. The monsoon rains bring this special fish to our rivers. When the sky turns grey and the rain starts to fall, everyone waits for the first Hilsa of the season. The smell of Hilsa cooking in the kitchen fills the entire house with joy. This fish is famous for its unique taste and soft, flaky meat. It has many small bones, but the taste is worth all the effort. This fish is truly the queen of all fishes. Its silver skin shines like a royal jewel. The connection people have with Hilsa is very deep. Grandmothers pass down their secret recipes to their daughters and granddaughters. The most famous Hilsa dish is called Shorsha Ilish. To create our masterpiece, we must first gather the right ingredients. Think of this as preparing for a royal ceremony. First and foremost, you will need the star of our show. A fresh Hilsa fish, about 1 kilogram, cut into thick steaks. 4 tablespoons of black mustard seeds. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds. 5 to 6 fresh green chilies. Some for the paste, some for garnishing. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. About 1.5 teaspoons to start. About half a cup of pure mustard oil. It has a pungent aroma that complements Hilsa. 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or curd. About 1 cup of warm water, ready to adjust consistency. Having all your ingredients ready before you start cooking is a very good habit. It is what we chefs call mise en place, everything in its place. Take the Hilsa steaks and wash them gently under cold running water. Pat them dry with a paper towel. In a small bowl, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, gently rub this mixture all over the fish pieces. Let the fish marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. In a grinder, add the black mustard seeds. Add the yellow mustard seeds. Add 2 to 3 green chilies and a little salt. Add a little bit of water and grind it into a very fine, smooth paste. If the paste is not smooth, the gravy will feel grainy. Once it is done, you can strain the paste through a fine sieve to get an even smoother texture. Place a pan on medium heat. Pour in the mustard oil and let it get hot. Carefully place the marinated Hilsa pieces in the hot oil. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. In the same oil, add the remaining green chilies and the mustard paste. Add the rest of the turmeric powder and stir for about a minute. Add the yogurt and mix well. Pour in the warm water and add salt and sugar to taste. Bring the gravy to a gentle boil. Carefully place the fried fish pieces back into the gravy. Cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Your Shorsha Ilish is now ready to be served. Just before you turn off the heat, add 1 tablespoon of raw mustard oil on top of the gravy. This final drizzle adds an incredible aroma and a sharp, pungent kick. Choosing the right Hilsa is the first step. Look for bright, clear eyes, gills that are vibrant red, firm body, and shiny, tight silver scales. Shorsha Ilish is best enjoyed with hot steamed rice. Place a piece of fish on the plate and pour a generous amount of the golden gravy over it. Eating with your hands is traditional. It allows you to feel the texture, remove tiny bones, and makes the experience intimate. In the olden days, wealth was measured by the number of Hilsa dishes during monsoon. A whole Hilsa was a wedding gift to the new son-in-law, so when you eat it, remember you are tasting a piece of history. You are creating a memory that you will want to relive again and again.